Hello, fourth graders, and welcome to our hybrid learning. So today is Monday, April the 12th, and so in school, in person today is Group A. So if you're watching this, you are in Group B, and I'm just going to say good morning to you just to double check you're in the right place. So good morning to Sophia, to David, to Isaac, Aldo, to Juan, to Joran, Emily, Cooper, Emma, Mason, Tiernan, Noah, and good morning to Holden, who is also joining you today. If I have pronounced your name incorrectly, you may put me right tomorrow when I see you at school on Tuesday. I'm looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow. But for today, your work is remote. And I have a couple of things that I need to remind you about. First thing is when you come to our grade 4 homepage and you click on this week's activities, or you can go straight to modules, you will see that when you see week 1, April 12th till 16th, that's this week, under Monday, you need to look at Group B remote. That's you. Okay. And underneath that is the list of everything you need to do today. But if you click on Group B remote, it is going to show you your list of tasks for the day. Okay. So first of all is watch the morning message video. That's this. Secondly, you need to do some independent reading for 20 minutes. I'll talk you through that. iReady reading. Then there are 2 math review activities for you to do. And you need to keep your eye on the time because today you have library at 10:30 a.m. and PE at 10 past 11. So you see those here in green. You are going to need to keep track yourself so that you can sign in to the library page and the PE page, because I'm not sure if there's a Zoom today or not, but assume that there is for library and PE today, and you need to be online at those times. Otherwise, there is no other class Zoom for you today, just library and PE. And you need to get this other work done before the end of the day also. So let's take a look at these other tasks. So you can go back to, just click back on modules to see them, or once you're in the schedule, you can just click next. So let's do that. And here is the morning video that you're on right now. Then independent reading. Read a book for 20 minutes. You can read a book from the digital class library or from Epic. You could read your own book that you have at home or from the school library. But whatever you read for 20 minutes. And then what I would like you to do is record yourself talking about what you read about. So you would just hold up the book or tell me the name of the book. Hi, Mrs. Schofield. I read 20 minutes of Where the Mountain Meets the Moon by Grace Lynn. I got up to the part where Green Tiger attacked outside the cave. Just tell me something short about what you read and what happened in the part you were reading. Okay, so you would just click on the blue button to submit the assignment and record yourself talking. Okay, so read for 20 minutes, tell me about it. The next thing is to go to iReady. And when you go to iReady, you can choose between reading and math. Today, I want you to choose reading. And whatever lesson is next in your iReady program, work on that for the next 20 minutes, please. When you're finished, I want you to come back here and just type done in the text box to tell me you've done it. And I go into iReady and I check. I check how many minutes you worked on your work for. And so I will see how much you've done as well. Okay. So independent reading, iReady reading. Then there are 2 math activities. They're both CAMI activities. And the first one, there are some 1-digit multiplication problems review for you to do. And what you do is let me just make this a bit bigger. Okay, it says, I invented chocolate chip cookies. Find my name by solving the problems. So here's the first problem, question 1. 204, so you can use text box or drawing. 2,467 times 4. So you can solve it on a piece of paper if you want to, and then just type in the answer down here. And whatever the answer is, the letter is T, because that's written here beside this question. So once you've got your answer, you would scroll down to the bottom, and wherever you find your answer, you would put the letter T above it with a text box, okay? Then you would go to the next problem, question number 2. And this one is to find the answer for where you're going to put letter number H. So you would solve 5,216 times 6, get your answer, and you're going to find your answer down here. And wherever it is, you're going to put the H above, okay? So you can work on this, and it's just 1-digit multiplication. Okay, so you're trying to find the name of the person who invented the chocolate chip cookie, okay, by solving these problems and then taking the letter beside the answer and putting the letters above the answers down here. Okay, so there's the cookie one for you. When you hit next, you will see Animal Riddles Math Review. There is another Kami page. There are actually 4 Kami pages here, and you need to choose at least 2 to work on. There is adding, subtracting, and then there are 2 multiplication pages. So you can choose which 2 you want to work on. And this is slightly different. I've shown you some examples here. So here there's some questions. What type of markets do dogs avoid? And you have to find the answer to the question by, here you can see the first box has the letter A, and you need to solve the problem 453 plus 378. I've done the first one for you. The answer is 831. Now it's inside the box with the letter A. The last 2 digits are 31. So wherever you see a 31, so there's one here, and actually I can see another 31 here and another 31 here. Wherever you see a 31, the last 2 digits of your answer, you are going to put an A. Use a text box to put an A everywhere there's a 31. Okay, because you solved in the A box that the last 2 digits of your answer are 31. Then you would go into the B box and you would solve it and look at the last 2 digits. See if you can find them anywhere, and if you can, you would put a B in that place. Same for the D. Solve the problem. Look at the last 2 digits of your answer. Find the last 2 digits of your answer and use the text box to put a D in place and see if you can solve them all to answer the question. What type of markets do dogs avoid? Or you could do the subtraction one. Why are cats the best pets? Same thing, I've solved this one here for you. 498 minus 327 is 171. The last 2 digits are 71. So wherever there is a 71, I've used the text box to make it put an A. And then I would go on to the next box and solve it. Last 2 digits, find where it is, put the B. Okay. Then there's a multiplication one with double digits. And then here's another one, multiplication just with 1 digit. All you need to do is use the text box to put in your answer and to type in the letters for the answer. You don't have to circle the 2 digits or anything like that or put arrows. I just did that to show you where to put your answer. So choose 2 of those pages and have fun solving the riddles on that one. Okay. And then you are done for the day, except for, I'm going to go click on back to modules, except for you also have, do not forget, library and PE. Independent reading, iReady reading, the 2 math worksheets, you have library and you have PE. Apart from that, you are done, and I am really looking forward to seeing you at school tomorrow morning. Okay, have a great day. Remember, you can email me if you need help with anything. Okay? All right, my friends, see you tomorrow.